When we work with a brand's corporate image or simply want to refresh our website's design, we often end up editing the CSS directly, colors, fonts, styles. But what if we could centralize all of this from our headless CMS? Today, we're giving you a sneak peek at the theming functionality in Content Island. Here we have a real example, a blog that's currently in development. What we've done is extract the key values for the visual theme, colors, and fonts, and manage them directly from Content Island. Take a look at how easy it is to make changes and see the results instantly. Here I have my theme object. I'll come over here. Let's change, for example, the primary color to green. For the font, we'll set it to Orbitron. And for the body font, let's use Enter, for example. There we go. We hit Publish. We refresh. Notice that by changing just 3 values, we've given the site a whole new look. Whoa, this one looks a bit futuristic to me. Let's try another combination. For example, red. I'll come over here and set this red color. For the font, I'm going to look for Quicksand here. And Montserrat. We hit Publish. I refresh here, and here it is with this new look. What do you think? And finally, let's go for something a bit more classic. For example, I'm going to use a purple color here and choose serif fonts. For instance, this on DM Serif Text and Manrope. We hit Publish, refresh, and here it is. In this case, the changes are applied in real time because we're working locally on a development project with Astro. But if this were in production and we had a GitHub webhook set up, publishing changes to the theme would automatically trigger a new build and the website would update without any manual intervention. Let's take a look at how this is implemented in the code. In the global CSS file, we define CSS variables for the theme's colors and typography. In the layout.astro file, we extract the theme from Content Island. Here, we use getTheme and pass it to CSS variables that have the same names as those in the global CSS file. These variables are loaded dynamically in the main layout of the application, injected into the HTML, and overwrite the default values we had. In the case of fonts, in addition to variables, what we do is update the Google Fonts links. Here they are. Very soon, we will publish an article and video tutorials explaining in detail how it works and how to easily integrate it into your own projects.